أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to www.islamicclasses.com and my name is Hafiz Bilal. In this tutorial we are going to start Makhraj number 5 and which letter we pronounce from the Makhraj number 5 and what is the exact place of that letter. Let us start now. First of all, we will check what is the uh, definition of this makhraj and what is that place where we originate the letter Qaaf, because this Qaaf is pronounced from the makhraj number 5. Alright, so you can see the definition is here: pronounced from the root of the tongue and the hard palate. Let me show you the root of the tongue. This is tongue. Are you looking? I hope you are looking this all. And this is the root of the tongue. Almost start from here, and this all is the root of the tongue. Let me show by making a line. Alright, this one. Okay, basically this is the root of the tongue. Alright, so they are saying when we touch the root of the tongue on the hard palate, then we make Qaaf letter sound. Alright, and the next is the hard palate. The hard palate is to the upside, and which is the you can say that is the hard palate. Now here this one is the hard palate, which is the back side of the mouth. Okay, now I remove this and then we practice also this letter, and you should listen carefully. One more thing, you should understand that this letter start the letter sound start in English with the letter K. Okay, K, like K. So this is also noun. The sound start from the K, and that is very important to know. Now we start Qaaf, Qaaf, because this letter has a light sound, that's why we are making light sound. Qaaf, by putting the root of tongue on the hard palate. Alright, that's why once you will touch this root of tongue on the hard palate, as you are looking here, as you can see the arrow sign is pointing here, so this is the exact place to pronouncing this letter Qaaf. Now we are just going to practice of this letter, so you listen carefully and then try yourself. Qaaf, Qaaf. Make sure the letter sound is starting from this as K letter sound, which is in English. Now we just practice. Hamza, Qaaf, Fatha, Ak. Hamza, Qaaf, Kasra, Ik. Hamza, Qaaf, Dhamma, Uk. Ak, Ik, Uk. Alright, we repeat again. Hamza, Qaaf, Fatha, Ak. Hamza, Qaaf, Kasra, Ik. Hamza, Qaaf, Dhamma, Uk. Ak, Ik, Uk. We have already online courses. You can see our online courses list here, and you can contact with us anytime. And thank you for watching this. Again, stay tuned, take care, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.